The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great evening and night and ready for a great day. Unusual not to see anybody here at the start. So let's look at the market, shall we? To market to buy some NQ. Or maybe ES. See, NQ started off up, down, up. It looks like here on the hourly chart. Low of the day. Good darn question. 781. High looks like recently 846. Not a big range at all. About 65 points, if my early morning math is correct. Kappa? I did not move any of my yellow lines. Where is the other? Ooh, wow. So copper's come down. You can see, yeah, you can see it from where my yellow line was yesterday. About 100 ticks there. Good morning, JC. Gold had a huge drop, yesterday. Huge drop, 44 points. Excuse me. Wow. Belching a little bit. Sorry. I just finished breakfast. Gold trying to get back up to 1800 again. Looks like it has about 13 points of range. Ultra bond. Big wide range. You see yesterday it fell and then bounced. It's back up in the 142s. It has about a point and a quarter of range. Crude fell big yesterday. Hello, Walter. Good morning. Crude's still falling, as a matter of fact. See this major fall in crude yesterday. And we're staying down in the 77s. Down to 75, actually. 75.58 appears to be our low. 77.88 appears to be our high. So about 230 ticks of range. Last but not least, gas that's natural. I hate that unnatural gas. And we have about 260 ticks of range there. So that's where we stand, sit, or whatever posture you happen to be in. Leo, Leo. How you been? Haven't seen you in quite a while. How's everything going? I'm gonna finish taking my supplements. Just give me 1 second. Definitely. Agree. Although the gas prices never come down as fast as the crude prices seem to. But yet, crude sneezes up 10 cents and all of a sudden it's up $1 at the pump. I'm doing alright. Where you been, Leo? Give me a second. I need to blow my nose. It's a runny nose this morning. Well, maybe I need to blow my nose, but there are my paper towels. Nose has been blown and we are ready to rock. I want to rock. Rock. So you can see here in ES, we're kind of topping around this area. This 4011, 4011, 4011, 4011, coming down. See though, we've dipped once, twice so far. It's the third time a charm. We're already down a bunch. Last night was not good trading. Yes, it does. Hey, good morning, Hassan. Hassan was with me last night as I was losing money on Asia. Remember, every Monday we do stream an Asia session. Hey, I need to get Tradovate. That P&L unfortunately is not right up there. I'm actually down 388. Need to try to recover. We had a fun time last night. Banned a couple people. Well, actually banned one person, but with 2 accounts. Debated a little bit more about CFT. Talked a little baseball. Talked a little Christmas. Yeah, Leo, with trade day, yeah, Ninja bought Tradovate way back in January. Honestly, I thought this would happen sooner, but from what I'm hearing from other companies, Ninja's really dragging their feet on the whole thing. I don't know how Tradovate got put. Sorry, how Trade Day got to the front of the list. I guess maybe because they have their entire prop firm set up with Tradovate. I guess that's where the actual accounts are made. So I don't know, but yeah, it's definitely interesting, and hopefully will continue to spread. The fact that you can take an order on NinjaTrader and manage it on Tradovate or TradingView is absolutely awesome, and that's gonna be big, especially for people that don't have Windows machines, those that use Macs, those that use Linux. Good morning, George. Plus, I mean, I like Tradovate probably more than NinjaTrader, but I like NinjaTrader's automated trade setup management setups a lot better. I like Tradovate, so it'll be interesting if you can see if you can take a trade with NinjaTrader's ATMs and see it in Tradovate. Early morning UB short. UB's been rising up there. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you? It's sitting right in that entry right now, JC. Yeah. Good morning, G-Man. I've thought about, it's a thought right now, nothing planned totally, but I've thought about maybe starting a weekly short, small podcast, like 15 minutes, where I would talk about prop firms, brokers with prop firms, and other news in that industry, where we keep up with the various different changes that are going on with the prop firms and a few other subjects. Good morning, Kevin. Fourth time ES is trying here. I'm doing all right, Kevin. Oh, thank you, G. It's a thought right now. I want to do it in podcast style because I don't want to try and make graphics for it and all that. And figure out what to put on screen. I'm late. I just jumped in here and I jumped in way too late. I jumped in a point late. Crap. See if it continues to move down. I need to dig myself out of the hole that I dug myself in last night on Asia. Gotta try a new strategy, a little bit new strategy. This trade actually doesn't fall into that new strategy, but I went short here, and I should have been short up here, and I just grabbed it late. I went short here because this tried 4 different times to come down, and I'm thinking the 4th time charm based on where we're at. We'll see if I'm wrong. See if I'm going to dig myself a bigger hole. If I lose this trade, I'm probably going to be switching to micros. So if I got it at the right point in time, I'll be close to my target. Instead, I got it 1 point late. Gonna take my 3 ticks there. That was a small winner. Just to start digging myself out of the hole. Give me 1 second, guys. And I'll update P&L. Back. So that was a 3-tick win, $37.50. See if we can dig ourselves up. I could have stayed in and probably, let's see if this goes down. You see, I got a couple more lines on my chart. Starting to look like a spaghetti chart, but I have a 100 and 200 EMA on here. So that's kind of why I got out. I saw it bouncing on this EMA. See if it breaks on through to the other side. Good morning, Deb. Nice to see you. How you doing? Reminder, folks, if you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. News this morning, I think, is light. Let me look. Very, it's here somewhere. There it is. Hello, Al Amin. See if let me know if I butchered that. If I did, tell me how to correct your name. I probably have gotten it wrong in the past. Canadian trade balance at 8:30 and U.S. international trade at 8:30. Red book at 8:55. Canadian IV PMI at 10. That's it for news. Those 8:30s are marked in red, so we'll have to see. Cool. Glad I got it right. I hate messing up people's names. I've gone through life with my last name being butchered, so I know what it's like. It's kind of bopping on the 100 EMA here. The green line's the 200. You can see overnight, yeah, we rose up. Well, actually, yeah, we rose up at the open and then fell, bounced, and then Europe sold off for half an hour, and then big bounce, and then another big sell off. Kind of a roller coaster type of night. My bot hit its ES target. There we go. We broke both the 100 and 200 EMAs there. And now continuing down. Continuing on down. Continuing on down the road. So like I said, this tried 4 times to come down, and the 4th time worked. This didn't work for more than okay, 6 ticks. This didn't work at all. This barely worked. This finally worked. So I took it there because it was the 4th try. Obviously, it tried keep coming up here. Couldn't break this level. Came down, tried to pop up again, failed, got knocked down. That's where I decided to take it. You know, taking it here would have been okay too. It would not have stopped me out. But I prefer that one right there. Let's see. Anything else doing anything fun? Gold came up. Nice rise there, but now you see it's kind of stagnant. Crude. Moved down sideways now. Now it's trying to move down a little further. I totally forgot about JC's UB. You still in that trade, UB, JC, or did you get out? Copper up, now sideways. Natural gas looking a little spotty. Agriculture overnight, grind up. Soybean, kind of sideways. ES stuck around 4,005. Good, JC. It's just hanging there. That market opens in 30 minutes. To market, to buy some UB. Oh, I need to kill that Nightbot. That Apex sale's done. Morning, Matt. No ranch this morning, huh? Mr. G? There's a bounce. Nice little reversal candle. How's it going today, Matt? Ranch is probably my favorite. And I like Thousand Island, but honestly, it's still hard to find salad dressings that don't have seed oils in them. So popping back up here, see if it breaks above, and we'll take a long if it does. If it breaks above here, you can see it's got back above both the 200 and the 100. Well, bounce off that EMA. No. As a kid, I was just ketchup or mustard or both. As a kid, just plain yellow mustard. Then I started liking more of the spicy brown mustard. ES up, slightly down, up. Let's see if it breaks here. Now my favorite, excuse me. Now my favorite condiment for burgers is mayonnaise, but I'll be giving that up and going to back to mustard because unfortunately I can't find a good mayonnaise that does not have seed oils in it. what do you think, guys? How long should someone sim trade to try and track their trades and find consistency? Man, I'm not sure there's any uh, given time frame. First you need to sim trade long enough that you find that consistency, and then you need to sim trade after that to make sure that consistency stays. That could be as short as 2 weeks. It could be as long as a couple of months. But also remember that sim trading does not give you the same emotions and the same feelings as trading either in an eval or on the live market with real money on the line. So you definitely need to make sure you're considering that. So sim trading too long can give you a false sense of security that you don't that you quickly lose when you're back to trading on an account that matters. So there's no real set time frame. It's more when you start feeling comfortable that you want to switch, and that's my opinion. You don't want to get too comfortable because then the live markets are going to smack you. You gotta, as soon as you feel you found that edge, you want to try and switch, pick up like, even if it's just wait for a sale. Apex runs these 80% sales like every month, and start it in the on an account that matters. Good morning, Dakota. And Matt, you took away my link before I got a chance to press it. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's why I didn't. Oh, thank you, Matt. I'll check that out. I appreciate that. And back down we come. So it bounced off the EMA several times, once, twice, three. That would have been a nice move down to grab, but I didn't like the way it's choppy here, like on all three moving averages. You're welcome. I know of people, and I can include myself on that they find their edge on sim, and then they go to the live markets, and it's not their edge that's the problem, it's their psychology, and they start second guessing themselves if they take a loss, and then they start messing with their what was working in sim. So it's just a matter of staying. If you found the consistency in sim, you gotta, once the live market, once you're in an account that matters, you just gotta stick with it for a while, because, and not second guess yourself. Stick to this exact same game plan, at least until something proves you wrong. Put it that way, and it's not your own mind proving you wrong. But I guess is the best way to put that. Top of the hour here in just a couple of seconds, and 30 minutes from the only major news of the day. Kevin, yes, I do. Just the free version, not the paid version. There should be top of the hour. So thought is I should have taken maybe a short right there. Obviously, it would have probably given me 2 points. Still heading down. Don't know what our low of the night was. I think our low of the night was here. 39.96. Leo, if you're still here, I just manually approved you in the Discord. So hang in here. You can see we had some consolidation back here down to the 402, 403 area. This is where we're kind of grinding down to. That was before we took off, so this could be a zone. I get supply and demand mixed up. As I move down into that area, down to 4003. So this would have been a good trigger candle. We'll give it its purple. Purple nurple. Honestly, this one that went through the 200 also would have been good. Falling pretty fast. Today is apparently St. Nicholas Day. So happy St. Nicholas today that all those that celebrate. The 5 minute. Oh. Possible bounce there. 5 minute chart. As we're watching ES moves in about 25 minutes. How's everybody doing on their Christmas shopping? Are you done? Still have more to do? Hello, I'm a buy low and so high. Good seeing you. Kevin, you a last minute guy? You shop online or in store, Kevin? I do all shopping online, so can't wait till last minute, last minute. But there's another. Okay, looks like we're trying to break down to 4,000. You see this wick down here? That's you know, next major support, I guess, and then down here to 39.99.25. If it continues to move down. Morning, Jay. Yeah, I haven't been in an actual store in years. I do everything online, even get groceries delivered. Last time I was in any type of a store was probably 2019. Early 2019. Yeah, Mr. G, that's for anyone that doesn't already have some sort of lifetime license. They're basically running a sale on their licenses. Sitting at 4,001. What's NQ doing? Ultra Bond opens in about 12 minutes. Snooze in about 22 minutes. JC, I see you're at Target. Not the store. If you are at Target, pick me up a few things, though. And we're about ready to hit 4,000. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, JC. We just hit 4,000 on ES. Is there it burst through? Remember, low of the day, low Goldbex, whatever you want to say, 39.96. Big move down here. So once it broke all these moving averages, this is a beautiful move down. This is an impulse candle down. Thinking we're going to see a bounce. NQ doing the same here. NQ down. Just also at a big round number, 11,800. I tried a reversal play last night on copper that totally bit me, so I'm not going to try and figure out the reversal here. As we see it continue to move down, trying to get down toward that daily low. All right, good luck on that there, JC. No idea why I said that with a southern accent. There's a little bounce. Morning. Was a little green. Now it's a little red. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Can it get down to the lows? Did not mean to rhyme that. Maybe a double bottom off the low. We'll see. See if it can break on through to the other side here. Oh, there it is. There, just touched. New daily low right there. Push more, push down. Bounce. So new low by 2 ticks. 39.95 and a half. Just kind of waiting here, waiting. We're waiting. Yesterday we got down to 39.87. I think that was yesterday. Hard to tell with all those lines, but then the next major, yeah, as Kevin just said, next major area is this area right before we blew up last Wednesday. I forget what the news catalyst on that was, or if there was a news catalyst. Oh yeah, JPAL. That's right. Yep. Thank you. Yep, there's a bounce. Bounce back up to 39.98. That candle definitely looked like a reversal candle there. Could have taken that, didn't. Nice, G-Man. Very nice. So nice pop up back up to the EMF. Big move back up, so big bounce. 39.94.75 was the new low. All the way back up to 4,000, so about a 5.5 point bounce. Sending a trigger there I do not like. Do not like it, Sam. I will not take it. You'll get one some point here, JC. We have about 13 minutes till news. Then weather and sports. In sports news, Phillies signed Trey Turner. 11-year, $300 million contract. In case anyone wants to know, 300 million is 6 million points on the ES. So I did not take this long, this trigger candle. We'll see if I should have. Looking for 2. Hey, Edgy man. 6 million points, even at 100, if you go 100 contracts, you still need 60,000 points. Good morning, Chris. How are you doing? So this would have given me my 2 points. Didn't take it because it was underneath my longer moving averages, which I'm trying out to try and filter trades better. This is one that it took from me. Yes, that would be an amazing day. I like double bottoms and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. So, nice pop. Very nice pop up here. 9 points or so now. Getting back up to the moving averages. See, now I like this idea of using the moving averages to decide whether I should enter a trade or not. But I think I also need to recognize when when price gets far away from the moving average, that there's a good chance of going back up toward them. I'm just trying to find something to give myself some more consistency. Now we're at the moving averages. But we're grinding right along that Bollinger on that RSI. But yeah, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, we've grinded up 11 points. So I'm trying to dig out of a hole. I only have $511 of drawdown left on this account. So another loss would mean I need to go to micros. See if we're bouncing off the moving averages here. See how we consolidated in this area here before heading down earlier. This is in the 4006 to 4007 area. About what we're getting here. We have news, the only major news of the morning in about 7 minutes. Sort of a bounce, yeah. Got up to 4006, so back into this range, you can see. It didn't quite get up to the highs of this little range here. I feel like long is the way it wants to go right now. Wow. That's dark. Five minutes, still news. Bitcoin got above 17,000. It seems to have liked it there the last few days. Thank you. Back up to 11,820. Ultra bond moving up. After its market opened there. Market open with a nice 6-tick move. Little bouncing there. Consolidation. Sideways action. So not a lot of news today. Look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a little bit of news and Bank of Canada rate decision tomorrow. Thursday looks very light, is normal unemployment. Friday though we have PPI. So Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next Tuesday, next Wednesday. So 3 out of 4 trading days we have major news. You have PPI on Friday, then next Tuesday you have CPI, and next Wednesday you have FOMC. Market seems to be taking a breath here while it waits for news. Slow, calm. Less than a minute. And maybe the market will start moving again. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. Yep, there was the news. Market ain't doing a thing. U.S. international trade actual negative 78.2. Forecast was negative 80 billion. Slight beat. Canadian trade balance 1.12 billion. Forecast is 0.9 billion. Both numbers were a slight beat. Market doesn't seem to care much. Little bounce, but definitely nothing to get excited about here. So first minute we went up 6 ticks. Just trying to get above this consolidation area now. So, the market came up and then decided, let's see what the news has to say, and then now it's continuing to move up. Remember, we couldn't get above 40.11 back here. Just bounced off 40.07 there. So, not much exciting happening here. Yeah, NQ did get up to 830 at 830. Synergy. Gold's rising up some. Crude hanging below 76. Copper with a move up. Ultra bond moving up nicely. But price action is just a little bit boring. But a bit boring. So we'll watch and see whether or not ES decides it wants to go anywhere. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. So, while we're slow here, question for everybody. Do you guys normally trade between Christmas and New Year's, that week between Christmas and New Year's? I'm trying to decide if it's worth streaming. Like, if no one's going to be around, then, it might not be worth me streaming. Yeah, I know there's low volume. That's another reason I asked. I mean, I'm not afraid of low volume. Obviously, you got to adjust what you're doing. But, the point being is that, if no one's going to be around to stream, all right. So we'll probably stream. Probably, I guess the market's closed the Monday after Christmas, so it's just be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday that week. At least that's what I think I understood. The CME schedule is more confusing than quantum mathematics. Uh, GameStop struggling? Shocker. I don't know if there's any around here or not. I haven't done any gaming in years either. Ah, wow. Apparently there's two in this area. So again, it hit that area, popped up, down. Can't decide which way it wants to go. You can see the squeeze, the little dolphin nose there on the RSI's Bollingers. All our moving averages are converging. Oh, there's a traffic cop there. We're going to have problems. Kevin's going short. Tend to agree with Kevin. But waiting just a second. Taking the short here and wait. How late did I get there? 3 ticks. See, that's my problem. I hesitate way too much. Big problem of mine. Gotta fix it. It should have taken the 4 ticks there. Maybe it's still gonna come down for me. Nope, back up to 2 ticks. Morning, Minxie. A little early for you, isn't it? Hey, FK. Yep, bounced up. Well, darn. I love the Atari. Mornings are evil. My entry point on this short is 4003.75. It should have been 2 ticks better, at least 2 ticks better if I hadn't hesitated. Back to break even. There we go, push down. Give it to me, baby. If you're using a market order, it's because usually it will be 1 tick. Well, depending on ES, probably about 1 tick. down. Yeah, that's normal. Target hit. Yes. There we go. That's a $100 winner. But yeah, with market orders, you usually enter a tick down. Still trying to dig out of my hole from last night. We're now only down $259 on the day. That only went one more tick down and bounced up. Thank you, JC, Dakota, Minxie, Kevin. Appreciate it. I need to restart my music. That trigger candle earned its purple. See, the last 3 trigger candles have been good. Yeah, I think so too. And, obviously I debate with myself, giving myself a target versus trying to let it go. But I don't want things to come back at me. Oh, I've said some nasty things at the market at times. Good morning, Ace. How's Ace doing today? Trash out? Heck, one time I just exclaimed to everybody, I hate trading. Excellent. Good job staying on top of that, Ace. We're continuing to push down here. Not at any fast pace. It's 45 minutes to the bell. We're 2 for 2 this morning. Unfortunately, we were 0 for 3 last night. Good luck on that there, Chris. Touching the EMA. Possibly inappropriately. And Q looks like laundry hanging on a line. Up. It's turning a little bit against you there, Chris. ES back down to 4001. Now breaking 4,000 again. So down to 39.98 a quarter. Continues to try and push down. A little bit of a wick there. Yep, still pushing down to 39.97. Remember low of the day was back here about what? About half an hour ago. 39.94.75. And then way back here we were down to 39.96. Way back yonder on the Chattahoochee. It gets hotter than a hoochie. Oops. So what I just did there. Chris, you get out? Going through that 96 area right now. It's sitting on 96. Let's see if it bounces up. So obviously, yeah, I could have got more out of that trade that I got the $100 out of. Would have been nice to catch that, but taking a long on UV at 20. Oh, nice. Did you already hit target there, Dakota? I see it hit 28. Nice. It's all right, Chris. You'll get that back. And nice call, G-Man, for this bounce here. Just trying to do it in golfing, has not yet. Gold heading down again. Crude still kind of grinding down. Crude's market opens in about 8 minutes. Yeah, but G-Man, you mentioned 96. That's why I was giving you credit there as well. Back up, back up, back up. NATE, Warren to the G. Back up to trying to get about back to 4,000. I was thinking about trying to clone Ace and sit as clone at my computer and have it take trades. By the way, this is about where Ace made his call. You can see here, this is another trade I should have taken even without Ace's call. See how this popped up and hit that EMA and popped back down? That's another what I've been looking at as a trigger, especially with this newer system that I'm trying. Nice job, Chris. Just remember though, and you know, you don't just because you didn't make much in the morning, you don't necessarily have to trade in the afternoon. You don't have to have big days every day. You know, you could have ended up digging yourself a hole, but that was an excellent job. We're heading into the 9 o'clock hour, just a few more minutes. Morning, Justin. What happens at 9? Tops of hours can sometimes have pops or drops, but the biggest thing that happens at 9 today, most days, is that the energies market's open, so crude oil, natural gas, etc. And you usually see some sort of movement there. And yes, excuse me, yes, Ace, I definitely appreciate your calls. You are an awesome guy. So at 9, the energies market's open. So the crude, we'll watch crude to see if it has, you know, you can see it's kind of slow and dull right now, but usually you'll see a little pop. And you might see a trend reversal. But yeah, it's popping up here. Strong move, 2 points. Good morning, John. Mind if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for that YouTube algorithm as we try to continue to grow the channel. Try to continue making where I make more than 60 cents a day from YouTube. Yep, back above 4,000, just hanging there though. Hanging. Bounce impossible back down here. Was a trigger candle right here. Did not take it. Don't like it. Call in sick, Minxie. I'm a bad influence. Well, then tell him it got worse. That's not good. Are you actually feeling better today? We're hanging above the EMA. We'll see if this trigger would have given us 2. Still don't like it there, but we'll see whether or not I should like it. Remind you folks that Monday nights we stream the Asia session, 7:45 Eastern. We had a nice little stream last night. Didn't make any money, but we had good conversations. Other people made some money. I banned a couple people. We had some CFT debate. It was a fun time. This would have hit target. This earned its purple. So we're doing that for the next 2 Mondays. Or we probably take off the 26th, and then we'll see about expanding streams, evening streams in January, or to maybe 2 or 3 a week. We'll see. There's the top of the hour. Back up to the 100 EMA. Let's see what crude's doing. Not a whole heck of a lot. So not an exciting open there on the crude. Not sure why I said the crude like it was something. Oh, but natural gas. Look at it. Down 36 ticks. Falling fast. Do you have thoughts, JC, that you want to share? But a nice bounce here off the 100 EMA. It's like all of a sudden he's just decided that he wants to upset people. And I don't know what caused that change, because the man I got to know isn't like that. So I don't know if something happened in his life, something caused him to snap. But the tweet he sent yesterday or last night, that was way over the top in my opinion. And I wish I could talk to him to find out what was going on. You know, this is the tweet. Let me bring it up. Let me make sure there's nothing going on in the markets first here. Bouncing off that EMA again. Streaming software. There we go. Yeah, this is CFT's two tweets from last night. First of all, you see micro traders read their career in futures trading. This picture of obviously a homeless man, no future. And then this tweet that says micro traders, like people say camping is awesome. You aren't fooling anyone. It sucks and we know it. Now that part is kind of funny, making fun of camping. That's all right. But then the second part, be an adult and trade regular contracts like an adult. Hashtag no micros. I mean, if you want to be a broke loser, go for it. Some of us aspire to be for more in life. And I just don't understand that at all. That is just trying to upset people, and that's not the man I know. No, he didn't. For one, he has dozens of accounts with these prop firms. He has 1.7 million dollars in funding from the prop firms, and I don't think he blew up his account. I I don't think it's an account thing. I don't know. I think something else happened in his life. I don't know. I can't speculate, but it's just not the person I got to know over the last year plus. Yeah, I never, maybe, but I never got that impression from him either. But it's possible. I mean, I don't want to speculate. I consider CFT, like I said yesterday, I miss my friend. That sounds like a interesting thought, Minxie. Do bearded dragons actually cuddle? Yeah, I mean that's the main thing. I'm not mad at CFT for what he's doing. I mean, I'm worried about CFT. Something changed, and it was like night and day, and I don't know what exactly happened. I know he's kind of like me. He's an introvert overall, and it's just like something snapped. I knew he was getting, little tired of certain types of traders and people and stuff, but I don't know. The micros thing started off as funny, and I thought it was all in jest, and it just took a turn. Like I said, I just want him to. I just hope he's okay. That's awesome, Minxie. Never knew that about those type of animals. That's when he decided to just he had agreed to enter into a thing with another trader with a big cash prize, and then last minute pulled out, and that's when he stopped talking on Discords. He did a full interview with Rod. FK, I absolutely agree with that, but the thing is, he's not stepping away. He's making these snipes at people. It's almost like he's trying to self-destruct what he built. And I felt that before he disappeared, as the whole thing with micros started getting more and more vicious. See, we're hanging right on the ZMA, and I don't want to keep talking bad. I'm not talking bad about him. I'm worried about him, and I hope if he ever tunes into this, he doesn't feel like I'm talking bad about him because I consider him a friend, and my main concern is that he's okay, both mentally and well physically. But I don't see, I mean, he sounded obviously, everything he did an interview yesterday with the guys from Trade Day, and that all sounded great. So I don't know what happened. I would love to know, but I'm like I said, I miss my friend. MES is the micro. I trade like I'm trading the mini right now. You trade the micro, Minxie. If I take another loss, I'll be trading the micros though. And I've been having my bot trade the micro. I'm not sure if you could turn off comments on Twitter. Yeah, this price action sucks right now, hanging right on that EMA. Crude. Now, see, crude got all wacky and wild there. So this is the opening 5-minute candle, shot down 41 ticks, and then shot way back up, bullish engulfing candle, 67 ticks. Seems to be heading up. So that's the type of thing that can happen when the crude market opens. CFT and I even debated the micros thing on John Burrell's podcast a few months back. Friendly debate. Back then, everything was like, it was all fun. He even told me, that, he didn't really, what he was saying, he wasn't trying to be a jerk or whatnot. And now it just seems, like I said, like it seems like he's trying to anger people, and I don't understand that because that's, again, not the man I got to know. I have done some self-destructive behaviors in my past. Sometimes I have to fight them in my current. So I know what that's like, and I just recognize this as like he's trying to be self-destructive. Whether that's consciously or subconsciously, I don't know. But I would love to have a conversation with him just to see what's up. Excuse me one second. back. Yeah, he doesn't owe anybody anything. You know, I've made a lot of promises too. I've talked about doing daily recaps. I've talked about doing more for my channel, and it's just it's kind of a motivation thing. It's a time thing. I don't want this to turn into a CFT bashing thing either. Like I said, I think there's something more going on, and like I said, I think for some reason he's just trying subconsciously or consciously to be kind of self-destructive, and I mean, I don't know what the feel behind that is. I just hope that I hope I get to talk to my friend again at some point. Gossip, I have no problem with his message. I have a problem with the way it delivered it, and you know, honestly, if that was the only message, then I probably it wouldn't be that bad. But when he follows it up with the like that tweet that I just talked about, you know, that's over the top. It's just trying to upset people, and that I don't understand. But like I said, I am not bashing him. CFT has helped me more, you know, has helped this channel a lot. As we see ES finally break into the upside, just broke through two different moving averages. Toward the top of the Bollinger's there though. 15 minutes to the bell. You know, see if I like I said, I don't want this to become bashing. I want to know what snapped. So just like something's snapped, and I just CFT has a good heart. I've seen that heart, and this current is not not him. Just not. I disagree with that, G-Man. He's already proved he's a successful trader. The Porsche and the Jeep kind of say that. Yeah, and the thing is, he helps people. I mean, he put a full course on his website, absolutely free, that took him a lot of time to build. Doesn't ask for anything from anybody. That's why I'm saying this is so out of this over the last couple months is just so out of character, and that's like I said, I'm worried about my friend. So, like I said, I don't want this to become a CFT bash because I definitely don't want him bashed. I consider him a good friend. So let's just, I guess, leave it here. I really, I plan on sending him a Christmas message on Discord and Twitter at some point. I don't know if you'll see it or not, but hopefully, Hopefully I don't have to go to Canada in the spring and track down his Porsche. Have a great day, Minxie. Tell your bearded dragon I said hi. This price action kind of sucks. His latest, well, his video, the tone of his video, not the message, the tone. Then the tweet from last night are all a bit over the top. I know that feeling, Minxie. I definitely agree. So, that was a trigger candle. Let's see if it comes back down. We are 10 minutes from the bell. Not derailing at all. We talk about all sorts of things. Have a great day, Minxie. Maybe we'll make a morning person out of you. Down, up, down. Morning, Speed Racer. There's a push. Pulls back. Short. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you doing today, Crypt? Don't like the looks of that. All right, push that down into the bell. Come on. We have about 6.5 minutes to the bell. Down 3 ticks on this short. I'm doing all right. Where were you, Gossip? Back to break even. Minute 4002 means it needs to get down to 4,000 exactly to hit my target. There we go. Oh, nice move down. 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Back home again in Indiana. Back to ouch. Bounce. Wow, big bounce. That sucked. Oh, coming right back down. Nice. I usually do. Yep, back up. I should have taken the scratch. Taking the 4 ticks there. 1 point. And I'm out. That's a small winner. Another $50. Oh, 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 oh. Continue to peck away. Now only down 214. Started the morning down to 388. $90 to the bell. It would have went to my profit target, so that kind of sucks, but that's okay. Let's go to our 5-minute charts here. Watch the open. $30 and bells will be ringing. A sad, sad tune. Q below 11,800. ES below 4,000 as the bell rings. Teacher says every time the bell rings, somebody loses an account. Not a huge open so far. Up, yeah, it's not doing anything. Someone want to tell the market the bell rang, or? There we go. Now we're starting momentum. Took a minute, but down 16 points, 20 points on NQ, down just a point and a half on ES. Back to green on ES. And another bounce there. This is a boring open so far. Oil is dead. Yeah, oil's not doing anything. Oil doesn't care about the market opening. We're now green on ES by 3 points. Red on NQ by 10. Goes good on rock pancakes. Yeah, now NQ goes above 11,800, goes green. Up 4 points. ES up 4 points. ESYM showing strength, NQ not really showing strength. There's a move though. And Q back down 17 points while ES is up 4. Moving up, trying to get above that 100 EMA. NQ's down 20. ES is still up 3. Got a minute to go in this opening 5-minute candle. Interesting divergence today. 1-minute chart, which you're not seeing, has huge up wicks, indicating that it's trying to beat ES down. And there it goes. NQ now down 26 points. ES is fighting to stay green. Is it a fight it will win? It doesn't look like it. Well, maybe. It just bounced. Price action's a little off. 25, 27 points on NQ. Gold bouncing a little bit down there. ES only a point and a half now with 20 seconds to go. NQ's now down 30 points. And down the stretch they come. Up. ES popping back up a little bit by 3. So the opening 5-minute candle up to 25 on ES, down 28 points on NQ. Amazing divergence today. Back to our 1-minute chart, which is all wonky. You can see these upper wicks I talked about finally came down. Now it's popping back up, staying above the EMAs. Or trying to get above the EMAs. It's kind of resting on the 20 EMA. Very indecisive here, back down under 4,000. Technically this was a trigger candle, didn't trust it. And this could have been considered a trigger as well. I'm just not trusting it right now. We'll let it try and figure out what it wants to do. Oh, my cat begs for attention. Bop right back up. What number was settlement? Ugh, easy for me to say. Thank you. Yeah, definitely hanging around that area. Which way will she go? Right now, I am not touching this with a 10-foot pole. With a 29.5-foot pole. Quick, what special, Christmas special is that line from? Excellent, Justin. You got it? I hear the train coming. Santa's gonna come in a boogie-woogie choo-choo train. Back down, under 4,000. In case anyone's not aware, that's a song from the Tractors called Santa's Gonna Come in a Boogie-Woogie Choo-Choo Train. Nice, Crypticon, good job. That was a 5.25 point candle straight down. And Q, that ended up being a 15-point candle. Oh no, NQ. Look how. Okay, so normally everyone was saying about how ES is easier to trade. So let's look at ES's chart. This is the minute chart, obviously. Let's even take away these extras for a minute. Doom, doom. You can see how choppy this has been. Just absolute chop fest. Look at NQ. NQ sent a beautiful trigger candle there and has come almost straight down. NQ have been the easier asset to trade this morning. Now this was a trigger candle, but I don't like huge trigger candles like that, but it would have worked, obviously. Good, Crypticon. Glad to hear that. Slow and steady. Lean hogs, gap down at the open. It's coming up since. A nice trade. NQ down to 11,750. ES down to 39.95. Low a day. Or low Globex, whatever. 39.94.75. We got about 3 ticks away from that low. See if it continues to push. It is. Broke low, new low of the day. 39.93.75. Strong move down. NQ also moving down. Yep, 39.85. That area. If we jump here, you can see that's what our low yesterday was 39.87. That's our next possible support bounce area. Let's see if it gets there. Down to 39.88 now. That was quick. Bounced on 39.88, back up to 39.91. That looks like a potential reversal candle. Pushing back down though. Now it's more body than wick, so no longer looks like that reversal candle I was talking about. Although it might still crawl up. Hanging here around 39.89, 39.90. Yeah, I was thinking that as well. Nice job, Crypticon. Man, my voice is sounding raspy. Excuse me. Yep, down to 39.87. Still trying to get down to that 39.85. We're just about, yep, there's 39.86. So we hit lower yesterday. There's 39.85 for Kevin. So the reversal is not there yet. 39.83. Continuing to drop. Quickly look to see if there's news or anything, or if anything, this is just the way things are moving. Oh, not seeing anything. But down to 39.81. Think we're going to see a bounce here at some point. There's the Bollingers. But not going to predict the bounce, or else I'll be saying that like, we're at 0, so I've been predicting a bounce here at some point. 39.80. Calmness, patience. Still a red candle, small red candle. Good luck on that, Dakota. Still not getting the confirmation I want for a reversal, so I'll check on that Dakota trade. 14, sitting right there on that 14. There's a bullish engulfing right now. Taking a long. Long at 39.84.5. Not going at the velocity I expected. I might have got it a tad early. No, maybe not. No. Yep. I might have jumped too early here. Should have waited for this candle to close, maybe? Well, there we go. Target hit. There we go. $100 winner. Sticking right there on his on Dakota's spot. Thank you guys. Such a four this morning. That was not a trade I would normally take, but it's one I think I'm getting better at. I should have waited to this candle close. We got a bullish engulfing. we were far away from the moving averages. And the farther you move away from the moving averages, the more chance you have to bounce. So the better entry would have been here where I could have got, obviously, I could have got way more out of this as well. It's up to 39.91. But I'm just trying to chip away at my deficit, which is now down to just 118. So I've chipped away 270 today after going in the hole 388 last night. Thanks, guys. Thank you all. Now I just need to, eventually try and get more out of a trade like that. Obviously this candle alone was 4 points. I got 2 points total. This staying in this trade would have got me back to green on the day. But have a great day, JC. Talk to you tomorrow. UB just sticking on Dakota's entry point. Pulling back down, did not hit the moving average. But this gives us a bearish engulfing. It's a thought. So far, that has not happened. Just hear those scripts. So thought of going short here as it gives away this last green candle. I'm not going to, but we'll see how it works out. Gold made a nice move there, then gave it all back. Try to come back up. Crude just doesn't, not moving at all right now. I shouldn't say that. These are kind of bigger candles. They just don't look big. That's what she said. Copper, nice rise up. Natural gas with a nice rise up. Welcome back, Ace. Yeah, it's been a good view day. We've been over 30 most of the meaty part of the morning here. Do appreciate if you hit that like button if you're enjoying the broadcast, stream, whatever it is. Ah, accidentally activated Quant Tower. Yeah, so that So far, not short. It's kind of sideways right now. Yeah, I'm not. I'm just gonna let it play. So we're 4 for 4 this morning. Fortunately, that 0 for 3 last night was more. And Kevin was right about staying short. So I was right. I thought about going short. Yeah, once it broke down through here, that's a Bob Anderson type of trade as well. That's something else I've been looking at here. Here is the low. Keep moving the short order up there, there, and then it would have entered right there at 39.88. And you can see now Bob goes for 5 points. I would probably go for less, but 5 points would have worked. And it's something else I'm going to be looking at. Now he uses 3 different moving averages, and I actually have them here somewhere. I don't remember where. There. All these charts, he uses these 3 moving averages. Let's go to the front part. And there it touched the gold line. He waits till it touches the gold line. So it would have been the same entry point there and then down. Oh yeah, I forgot about Dakota's trade. Oh yeah, nice move down there in Dakota. Here, looks like you're 1 away from your target. Excellent, Dakota. Good job. And another move down, new low a day, 39.79. And a quarter. Little bounce. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Hey, Trader A. Hey, Mr. G. We are nearing the top of the hour. And we're continuing to move down, 39.78. Nice sell-off here. So the Bob Anderson trades, I do like the concept of, and it's something I'll also be looking to incorporate. Although I don't think I can incorporate it into the same chart here with the moving averages I've added, because then I'm gonna look like total spaghetti. I think I need to more eyeball it, like just kind of what I was doing here. So it definitely broke the yesterday's low pop from Wednesday. And you can see before that we were consolidating in the 39.50 area. And that's the next big area you can see got there a couple of days. A little bounce, yeah. Little Saint Nick. Who sings that Christmas song? Little Saint Nick. What's agriculture doing? Whoa. Soybeans blew up at the open. That would be messy. 10 points. It's like $500. Corn kind of popped as well there. Very good, Ace. Y'all are 2 for 2 on trivia today. First, Justin with the right guess of the Grinch. Ace with the guess of the Beach Boys. Well, goodbye. Pushing down. New low. My voice is just raspy today. I don't know why. At least my nose stopped running. Not sure which is better. Hey guys, Elite Trader Funding just tweeted that they're giving away a free 100K fast track evaluation. All you gotta do is retweet the tweet and they'll pick one winner today at 1 p.m. Central. I just retweeted. Anyone that has a Twitter, you should do the same. Well, if you want an evaluation. We're posting that on the Discord there. My cat's bugging me again. Yeah. Still moving down. 39.72. Beautiful, beautiful fall. There is going to be a time. And I'm just going to enter a trade and say I'm just going to let it fall as long as the moving average isn't touched. Today was not that day, but if it had been, this would be a 20 to 25 point trade. Thank you, Crypticon, for that wonderful, wonderful advice. Yep. Went short here just 9 minutes after the open, after it just kind of, we had ugly price action from the open, and then whoosh, whoosh. Big whoosh. Oh, look, NQ all the way down to 11,637. Gold down to 1784. Crude down to 76.46. Ultra bond leveling out right above 142. Copper pulling back just a tad. You see the Dow falling as well. Dow's finally caught up. Natural gas is rising a little bit. Bitcoin falling because Bitcoin, even though people try to deny it, easy for me to say, Bitcoin follows the indices. Just falling. Not afraid of falling. Not even doing any pullbacks. This is the only pullback. Not even, anywhere close to the moving average to even try and figure out a place to maybe enter. I mean, obviously I could have entered short anywhere here and been good, but if I would have done that, then it would have bounced. Kind of like now, bouncing up a couple points. So here's NQ on the hourly chart. You can see that last hour came down 156 points, down 44 so far. So it's about 200 points over the last hour and 8 minutes. And here you can see it clearly. This was the JPOW pop. This is the area of support below. And if it breaks that, we're going all the way back to the CPI pop from November. Yeah, 39.50 is the support area. $39.65 is where we ended up so far. A little bit of a pop here. If I was braver, I would take a long off of that first green candle. I'm not brave. We'll see if it gives us 2. Yep, it already, so that would have given us what I was looking for. I really did think about taking it. It was a nice strong candle, not much of a wick. Kind of like back here, you saw the 3. But this could also be another Bob Anderson type of deal. Let's play that out as well. So, high or low. Right now, the entry would be based on his strategy 39.67 even. I keep talking about him. I'm going to need to get him to come on to the stream one day. Alright, if you're new to the broadcast, then there we go. Now, so now it just popped down. Technically, I should have been moved up 1. See if this would have worked. I don't think this wouldn't have been Bob's type of trade because it did not touch that yellow line. So that would have been a dangerous one, but I'm just curious how it works out. Anyway, if you're new to the stream, because we have a lot of viewers here, not a lot of talkers, remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't so you can chat. Questions and comments are always welcome, as long as they're constructive. Consolidating right here. Good morning, Burl. Well, 4 for 4 this morning. Unfortunately, that doesn't make up for the 0 for 3 from last night's stream, but I've gone from being down 388 up to down 118, so continuing to move back, I'm trying to dig out of the hole. How you feeling today, Burl? Good idea. Need to get you healthy. We're kind of consolidating. My guess is we're going to go up here. We're way, way, way far from our moving averages, which usually means we're going to start snapping back. Snap back. Burl, guessing your bot's not doing anything today since we're heading down, down, down. And we're hanging. 39.68 area. CNQ is consolidating as well around 11.625 to 11.630. Gold's kind of also stopped falling, just hanging as well. Ultra Bond just kind of sitting on 142. Nice on the short there, Burl. Yeah, I knew what you meant. Hey, John. Yep. Thinking the same, but still sitting here in the doldrums on NQNES. See how far away we are from the moving averages. Just looking at different time frames right now. Don't even remember why I had that one there. Been consolidating here for a few minutes. Need to let you know what, the world above. All right. Good luck there, Dakota. Oh, there's a push down. Down 2 points on that candle. Save the day from what? Bullish engulfing here on ES. I kind of want to go long here, and I probably even should have it ready, but sorry, Dakota, that sucks. That's giving me a trigger candle. I kind of like it because it's so far away from these moving averages, but yet, I'm waiting. Pulling back just a tad. We'll have about 40 minutes to go here. And this actually is a cue for me to go short, but I don't really like it. But it would have worked. So I got to start playing those cues. You know, it's when it bounces off. This was why did I think I should go short? We had a green candle that actually pierced the moving average, followed by a red candle that was engulfing, and that usually means it wants to try and push down a little bit more short. Now, I didn't think it was going to go much shorter, so that's why I was kind of hesitant, but it would have given me the 2 points I was looking for there. Oh, good morning, Shabbat. Now this might be an up, down, up move. Bollingers are tightening. ES, Dakota? I thought he was an FBI agent, bro. I'm not sure I've ever seen you trade anything besides Ultra Bond. Taking the long here. I was a little premature again. Let's see if it bites me. Nice job, Dakota. Oh, wow. Target hit. 5 for 5 on the morning. No Ebenezer Scrooges this morning, just Santa. Started the morning from last night down $3.88, and now we're only down $22.82. We'll round that up to 23. Thank you, Abby, Dakota, Leonardo, and John, and Walter, Kevin. Angels and Up has now had 3 accounts banned. You gotta really wonder why somebody has no life enough to continue creating accounts to get banned after their first message just to harass somebody. I banned him twice last night. Now he's banned the 3rd time. Obviously, the guy has absolutely no life. Probably doesn't even trade. They say when you start getting haters, that's a sign of success. So Angels, keep coming and we'll keep banning you. Angels and Up. He uses the same name, Angels and Up, each time, just with a slightly different ending. He keeps accusing me of being a gambler. And I'm like the opposite of a gambler. If I was gambling, I'll be taking like 20 trades a day on every little entry. And eventually I was getting sick of him. See, there's number 4. What a loser. Gotta love losers that want to just harass people. And yet he's Angels Up, and he's like, uh, see, win one of the, definitely win one of the. It could be like playing Pac-Man. So 4 accounts banned. Poor guy has nothing else to do with his life. You gotta feel sorry for people like that. Nah, CFTs doesn't do stuff like that. Shame Ace isn't here. Ace would tear into him. By the way, this just triggered again to the downside. I was banning the guy though, so I missed the trade. Triggered again to the downside, and it would have worked. So this would have been another trigger. This would have been a trigger, and these all would have worked. Boom. 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 What's funny, I mean, he's going to unsubscribe again, but my subscriber went up by 2 because those 2 accounts had to subscribe in order to talk. By the way, new daily low again. 39.63. I don't know. Gee, man, I've never studied the whole correlation between bonds and the indices. I know they used to move in opposite directions, but I have my knowledge of finance products has not gotten that deep yet. Oh, okay, cool. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying the stream and watching me ban idiots, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Well, I'm not going to go over to his channel and harass him. Great day, Dakota. He's not a trader channel. I'm not even gonna comment on what exactly his channel is. I just looked it up. Yeah, he's a real winner. I just haven't heard from you for a bit. So, thank you, The Wire, for letting me know about the channel. Now I totally know that not to even consider his views anything at all. But he better be careful because I will start reporting the harassment, and I don't, you don't want to end up losing his channel. And new low here, 39.62. So it just cannot get itself reversed here. We are past the whole 10:30 reversal time. It just continues to make new lows. We'll see if it can bounce anywhere here. Remember, we said 39.50 was the next major support area back from last Wednesday before Powell's speech. Gold still slightly grinding down. Crude back under 76. Copper pull back. And quite the pullback too. It's about $1,000 a contract on that pullback. With a little bit of a move up on the Ultra Bond. Oh, look at the move on hogs. Nice little hog move. How's everyone's P&Ls looking today? I know Burl's up on his personal account. I know Dakota's up. G-Man's always up. I know I'm still red on the day, but that was all from last night. I'm really, very happy with the trading I've done today and this morning. Nice, George. Nice Crypticon. Okay, Kevin, be careful. Don't let them go numb. Don't fart. Excellent, Leo. Chris, I know you can get that back, but don't force it. Remember, a small red day is better than a big red day. And you've been killing it lately. My algos, for the most part, have loved today. I wish I had been running them in an account that matters. Have a great day, Kevin. See you tomorrow. Up, still pushing down below 39.60 here. Quite the fall, and it's kind of interesting because I mean, usually falls like this happen after news, and we had a little bit of news today, but it wasn't anything huge. No Fed speakers, no anything. But down to 39.57. And I mean, honestly, I got lucky on this trade here. This was again technically against my thoughts of going with the trend, but I honestly thought from here we were going up. And I mean, obviously we went up enough to get me 2 points, but the safer trades were the two I didn't take, which was the moves down. Nice, Crypticon. Thank you, Burl. As for the message on Discord, I will check that out then. Thank you. $20 minutes to go here on the stream. Last call for hitting that like button. Isn't being short kind of all genetics? Oh, not that kind of short. Down to 39.53. Remember we said around the 39.50 area is support. Yeah, I never, that rally from J-Pal the other day, I didn't believe that was going to cause us to continue going up. I have been thinking short overall too. If I had money to invest, I would, be looking short in areas, but that's not where I'm at right now, unfortunately. Oh yeah, 39.55. It was a number we talked about for a while, wasn't it, Chris? Sorry to hear that, the wire. My goal on my accounts is now going to be $200 a day. Now I did better than that today, but if I hadn't gone in the hole yesterday or last night. Yeah, I was surprised they dropped the gauntlet. I guess I don't understand, uh, you know, discontinuing products because I don't see how it costs them anything to have. Even if, only, one or two people are interested in it, I don't see what's the purpose of getting rid of it. Yeah, the gauntlet's gone, and Top Step got rid of their swing combine. All within a day of each other. It was kind of weird. Yep. As of the beginning of the month, it's gone. It was gone. But you can now trade till uh, 3:50 Central Time instead of 3:10. Not take this long here. Drop down to 39.53. We're back up there. I mean, that's a 10-point pop. Yeah, I mean, I don't see what dropping options for people does for the company. But until I have enough money to make my own prop firm, just gotta roll with the punches. And I'm joking. I don't think I'll ever run my own prop firm. Back down. We hit the top of the Bollingers there, so I expect this pull back. Let's see if it's a green, red, green move. Hi, Sean. It's not me that's interviewing Daryl Martin. That's Greg from Weenie Trades. He's a friend of the channel. He has his own channel. He doesn't. He used to be a live streamer. He's been taking some time off of that. But his live interview with Daryl Martin will be coming up on Friday, December 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. For anybody that needs it, here is the Weenie Trades channel's URL. Need to touch base with him just to make sure that that's still on, because you think he'll advertise it a little bit himself. But as I know, nothing's changed and it's still on for that day. We would have gotten 2 points off of that trigger. Uh, if Aiken Parsley just joined the Discord, if you're in here on the stream, let me know and I'll do your manual verification. I don't like to manually verify anyone that I haven't talked to, because I did that last week and ended up with someone trying to impersonate me after I've let them into the Discord. Nope, not today. I have a feeling he'll be back again someday. And maybe the internet has no shortage of trolls. I do want to thank everyone for being here today. We stayed above 30 viewers almost the entire day. You know, definitely feel free to let me know what I'm doing right and what you like to see improved on. You know, what keeps you here versus tuning out on a normal day. You know, normally at this time of day, I'm down to under 20 viewers, so the fact that we're up so high today is nice. Don't think we're gonna get another trade here. Obviously, I could have taken this for 2 more points. There was lots of opportunities I didn't take. This one here, this one here, this one here. I took that one. This never really hit a moving average to bounce. I could have done, but I could have done the Bob Anderson trade as I talked about and gotten the short there. So there's definitely some, I can take more trades, and I'm just getting used to possibly a couple of new ideas, new setups, and I just got to get more confident in them, and then we can start really making some money. Ace, you missed me banning somebody twice. I ended up 5 for 5 on the morning, Ace. Dug myself out of a $388 hole. Now only down $23. Ace, the thing is, I banned the guy twice last night too. So I've had to ban him 4 times on 4 different accounts. Crypticon, I come so close to like, every time you do that. I'm not even sure he trades. He has, someone told me he has a YouTube channel, but it's nothing about trading. Uh, uh, no, I'm not making it. I need to improve the sections that are already there. Get some more stuff going. Lots planned for MightyOxTrading in the new year. Oh, see, we got another trigger down. I don't really like it though. I feel like it's our last attempt down before it wants to head up, but I could be wrong. uh, have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. 5 minutes to go in the stream. We'll see if I should have taken this trigger.
Eh, You'll have to have Mrs. Ace come on sometime so we can ask her that question. That'll be a great stream. MightyOxTrading, a special guest, Mrs. Ace. Excellent, John. And boring green is a lot better than exciting red. Well, Leah, I hope you're able to stop in more. We miss seeing you here. This would have been a good trigger candle. Good. I'm gonna start taking attendance. Just curious to see who all comes every day. Not, I mean, obviously it doesn't matter, but keep track of people. Keep thinking of all the people that aren't around anymore. Well, I make it sound like they died, but they just kind of disappeared. I hope he is as well. Hopefully the kid has not like figured out how to duct tape him to a chair or something. This is why I'm thinking I need to, continue trying to just play trends. Obviously, the up moves have worked. They would have worked both times. But I mean, both times I thought we were gonna be heading up and we didn't. Ultra Bond started moving back down. NQ hanging right above 600. ES 39.59. Crude down to 75.50. Gold just kind of hanging. Copper pulling down. Natural gas pulling down. Agriculture sideways. Well, soybean meal. I don't even know what soybean meal is, but it's going up. Fun fact, I've never been to a wedding. Never planned to be at a wedding. She's the singer of the band, Ace. So it sounds like she'll be the one getting things thrown at her. We're long hugs here now. Long hug features. A little bounce there on ES. So guys, this was a fun day. I finished 5 for 5. Definitely, possibly seeing improvements here in the adjustments I'm making to my trading. Hello, Arthur Harrison, and okay. Interesting rap. Word. Down with that. Anyway, so that's what we're going to call it here today, folks. Hopefully we can continue this momentum tomorrow. 7:30 Eastern Time. Hopefully you'll all join me then. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And see you tomorrow. Am I? Yeah, probably not. Burl, every time I try to do that, I end up making things worse. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.